tano marongithia na turi no moraruzire mwana wake just the other week na tario ijio autania ne mahoyaga rutha ngarigwo nguhe undu itakuhe tondu auga kana ne enda guthie kuongithia kari mucie na ucu wothe turi haha. I am of the feeling that tukuhota kwatendi rathi citu wega gutare na disruption na no tucokeirie this organization ni ngatho muno ni kupik gacatha as a center of a pilot center na ni tukwenda ku maintain a facility yo tondu no akiona toguo ndauga arutani itware ingiru riu ane mahariirie muno kugia twana koguo thank you very much to Kewota and ndejo tuguthie na mbere wega. Asante sana.
We are here in Kirinyaga to launch lactation centers for our female teachers. This has been a cry of teachers of childbearing for years, longing to be able to think of their work plus think of their children. If you know what it means to leave your child unattended and you have walked away with her milk or his milk, but now we are providing a center for these teachers to be able to come with their children or the child is brought to school. This will not interrupt the learning because the child can be fed at break time or lunch time.
Kwa majina naitwa Liz ama Madam Mutwiri hapa. We are very grateful for Kewota to come and take our school among many other schools